Well, first of all, thank you very much for this honor. Thank you, Ustm, Mr. Hawk, and all our special guests present here. And I never thought I'll get a doctorate in my life because I was a dropout from BSc, Bibura College. I was studying there. I didn't complete because my ambition was different. My dream was different. So I left my college. But still, I have a big connection with all the colleges, all the universities here. And many of my friends, they're working for the colleges, for the universities. And anyway, it's good to have a doctorate degree without having a graduation.